tutorial, I'm going to talk about working with cloud storage and particularly cloud browser. Our software supports a lot of cloud storage providers such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Box, Cubic, iDrive. It also works with Azure Blob Storage and Amazon S3. So here we have a cloud storage connection. We connect into Dropbox. If I click on Browse Data and I click Connect, I can see the actual content of the storage. And if I click on the file, I can see some metadata. I can also download the data. I can delete it. Or I can create some folders. Another way of accessing this dialog via cloud actions. So here we have cloud upload action. If I click on connection, again, I can see the same button and I click connect. I can connect. Or if I select the files, sorry, not this one, remote directory, yes, that's the one. I can also click connect. I can see slightly different dialog because this dialog allows me to actually switch between different connections. And as you can see, this can be tremendous time saver for the developer, as there is no need to use any third-party software. Everything is done using advanced ETL processor. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as usual, if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.